We offer a full range of services in Fridley, which would include services related to drug cleanup, biohazard clean, death, suicide, or homicide, and hoarding services. In the past year, we have helped several clients in Fridley specifically with death-related services. So the process really starts when the customer calls our office and asks for help. We'll gather the information that they have at that time and then schedule a time to meet them on the job site so that we can see what our scope of work will be for that job. We can help them at that time file an insurance claim if needed. We try, depending on what the job is, to start work within 24 hours, sometimes a little sooner if the emergency calls for it. Not hiring a professional company such as ours can lead to improper work. Unfortunately, it's pretty easy for anybody to say that they're biohazard experts, when the reality is a lot of those companies are fire water restoration companies that are doing this on the side. All of our staff is full-time and has third-party certifications. So we like to think when you work with Scene Clean that you are working with the best.